In today's app stores, video isn't optional. It's a conversion weapon. But here's the truth. Most users only watch the first 5 seconds of your preview video. That means you don't have time to build up. You need to land the value instantly. In this lesson, you'll learn how to design app preview videos that not only grab attention, but convert, especially in that all-important opening moment. Why the first 5 seconds matter. Think of the first 5 seconds as your elevator pitch. Users are scrolling fast, often with sound off, and if your video doesn't hook them instantly, they're gone. Your goal? Capture emotion, deliver value, show transformation, all before they blink. Principle 1. Open with the aha moment. Don't wait to explain what your app does. Show the result it delivers. Instead of, "Welcome to Budget Master. Here's our home screen." Start with, "Take control of your finances without spreadsheets." Or, "Lose weight, sleep better, and feel amazing." Then flash real UI in action. Smooth, dynamic, and visually impressive. Hook their interest before they decide to keep watching. Principle 2. Visual first, text supported. App preview videos often autoplay muted, so your visuals have to tell the story without sound. Use large, bold, animated text overlays to reinforce the core message. Pair key phrases like track workouts in real time, daily meal plans personalized, AI-powered productivity boost. Use animation to highlight swipes, taps, and transitions. Simulate real in-app interaction. Principle 3. Match the tempo to your app's purpose. A fast-paced game? Lead with energy, punchy motion, and dramatic music cues if used. A calming meditation app? Use slower transitions, elegant zooms, and peaceful background audio. Let the visual rhythm match the experience your user can expect. Principle 4. Show social proof or numbers early. In 2025, trust is everything. Use the first 5 seconds to drop credibility bombs. Trusted by 10 and plus users. 4.9 stars from 200,000 reviews. Featured by Apple and Google. Bonus points for showing real reviews or recognizable badges if permitted. Principle 5. End with a call to action. Yes, the first 5 seconds matter most, but don't ignore the close. Always end with a clear CTA. Download now. Start your free trial today. Your wellness journey starts here. Visually center the CTA, overlay your app icon, and use strong contrast to make it pop. Best practices recap. Keep the entire video under 30 seconds. Cut slow intros, start with value. Design with mute on autoplay in mind. Use motion to guide attention, not overwhelm. Test multiple versions with different hooks and CTAs. Final thought. Your preview video isn't just a demo, it's an emotional trailer for your app's value. And in those first 5 seconds, users are deciding scroll or install. Make it impossible to look away. In the next lesson, we'll cover app ratings and reviews, how they impact rankings, conversions, and credibility in today's ASO landscape. But for now, go watch your app preview video. If the first 5 seconds don't spark action, it's time to re-edit.